All right, everyone, welcome back. Boy, do I have the wizard of advising maintenance. Wait till you see this guy with me.
Suggests in the owner's manual for maintenance and what the dealership suggests are two different things?
In most cases, yes, that's true. They'll tell you that you need more maintenance than your car actually needs. In some cases, some maintenance procedures your car doesn't require at all.
So what about that list of what Kathy's dealership says she needs?
PCV valve, I wouldn't bother changing it. It's a lifetime product now. The spark.
This fucking guy. A PCV system is a lifetime part now. Holy crap. This guy should be removed from YouTube. He is selling some smelly crap in a bag. This dude really needs to be removed from the internet. PCV system failures are so high today, it's ridiculous and require maintenance and replacement. Let's play a little bit more. I want this guy to call me. I want this guy to call me.
Upselling at dealerships from across the...
Other than the brakes, he said no.
I'm a bit early.
Suggesting is to replace the
How do you feel about that now?
Product now. The spark plugs on this car.
Hold on.
Two different things?
In most cases, yes, that's true. They'll tell you that you need more maintenance than your car actually needs. In some cases, some maintenance procedures your car doesn't require at all.
So what about that list of what Kathy's dealership says she needs?
PCV valve, I wouldn't bother changing it. It's a lifetime product now. The spark plugs on this.
Let's keep going.
Car, according to the owner's manual, is good for 160,000 kilometers. She is nowhere near that. Change automatic transmission fluid, no.
Well, that's a big list. You just said no to...
Nah, forget changing your transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. And what's 150,000 kilometers? I don't know. I'm going to have to see. 150,000 kilometers. Kilometers to miles. Why can't I figure this out? Yes. Oh, it only has 93,000 miles on your car. Doesn't need a trans service, doesn't need differential service. This guy absolutely knows nothing.
So what's going on?
What's going on here is the service advisor is trying to sell this woman a lot more work than she needs.
Not true there.
Craig,
Not
It's good
true.
for 160,000 kilometers.
Oh, 160,000
She is nowhere near that.
kilometers.
Change automatic.
his dealership says
160,000 kilometers. Let's change that. He didn't give the mileage, but I just want to know for myself. 100,000 miles. Spark plugs don't last 100,000 miles, Krusty the Clown. Volkswagens are around 40,000 miles. Average is every 30,000 miles, depending on the vehicle. And if your engine's burning oil and unmaintained, you need spark plugs sooner. This guy is the worst guy to take advice from for fixing your car. Thanks for watching.